Hey everyone, I'm Simon Kareem, and today I'm at Legends Pointe in Northport, St. Lucie, just off Northwest Selvitz Road. If you've been looking for a newer luxury community with a calm neighborhood feel and easy highway access, this one's a standout. First impressions, clean, modern curb appeal, and yes, it's gated. Inside the amenities, check all the boxes. Two resort style pools, one heated, a 24/7 fitness center, and an outdoor kitchen with grills for weekend hangouts. Floor plans range from 1 to 3 bedrooms. You'll find quartz countertops, stainless Whirlpool appliances, in home washer and dryer, and many homes include screened patios or balconies, perfect for your morning coffee. And for nature lovers, Oxbow Eco Center is less than a mile away. Nearby parks like Winter Lakes and Charles E. Ray are great for walks, playgrounds, and getting outdoors. When it's time to eat, check out Kyle G's Oyster and Wine Bar, Hurricane Grill and Wings, or Da Vinci's Italian Grill. Four Aaron's, Publix at St. Andrews, and Parkway Plaza are close by, with the landing at Tradition for shopping days. Families, you're near Rivers Edge Elementary, Southern Oaks Middle, and Fort Pierce Central High. Pricing here is competitive, starting around the high $1,700. Great value for the finishes and amenities you get. If Legends Point looks like home, call or text me at 5617-040-091 or visit simoncancel.com.